Hello, Year 3. So today we're looking at finding the start and the end time of something, okay? So the first question we're going to work on is this one. Max has just started queuing for the Dodgems. When will he get on? So Max is over here and we find the information about the Dodgems, don't we? So here we've got Dodgems. Dodgems, queuing time 6 minutes. So we know he's going to queue for 6 minutes. But that at the moment doesn't help us, does it? If we need to know what time he'll get on, we need to know what the time is now. So here is our clock. So what is the time at the moment? So if you want to hit pause so you can work it out, and then we'll talk about the answer. Okay, so at the moment, so with the hour hand is between the 2 and the 3, isn't it? It's closer to the 3. Our minute hand is here. We know that this is o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to. Okay, and then so that'd be 45, 46, 47. That's where I think it is, 47. So I would say the time, it's between 2 and 3, is 2:47. Okay, so I've got 2:47. Can you say that time another way? You could say it lots. You could actually say, well, I know that that's in 13 minutes to 3. Couldn't you say 13 minutes to 3? Okay, how would you say it if it was on the 24-hour clock? Have a think about that one. So I'm hoping you worked out and you're shouting at me at the screen, 14:47. Because remember, 24-hour clock, if it's in the afternoon, it's 12 plus whatever the hour is. So it'd be 12 plus 2 gives us 14:47. Okay, and do we know if it's AM or PM? Hopefully you're also thinking it's PM, because if it was 2:47 AM, if it was in the morning, it would be nighttime, wouldn't it? So we can put our PM there to show that it is in the afternoon. Anyway, so first of all, we've worked out what the time is, haven't we? 2:47 PM. Okay, so now we need to find out when he'll be able to get on Dodgems. So here we've got this time. So we just need to add it, don't we? So we're going to take 2:47 and add 6 minutes. So you can either do this on your clock, okay, so you can get to, there's my 45, 46, 47, and I can either count on 6 times, I can do it on my number line that I've been using and count on 6 times, okay, or I can do it this way, which only works if you remember that there's 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, so I'm going to do it on my clock first. Also 2:47 plus 6 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's our time, 2:51, 2, 3, 2:53. So I would say he would be getting on at 2:53 PM. And just check, we can do 7 plus 6 is 13. We have our 3, don't we? And we carry our 10 over. 40 plus 10 is 50. And the time is still 2:53 PM. Okay, that's the first question. We'll start the second question as well. So, when should Olivia start queuing for her ride? So this is Olivia here. And she says, I want to go on the big wheel at 4:05. This one's a little bit more difficult. We're not adding on to this one. We're having to go backwards. Okay, we know the queuing time and she wants to go on it at this time. So we're going to have to work backwards from 4:05. So again, have a little pause, think about how you might work this out, and then we'll work it out and see if you've got the correct answer. Okay, I'm hoping that you did hit pause and you're now back because you've had to think about it. So what we would do is we'd be going backwards. So if you want to draw your timeline, you could draw a timeline and do it backwards, and you could have 4:05 here, and then you have all your marks and you can jump back. Okay, or you can have your clock, whatever works for you. So I'm going to show you on my clock. So I've got 4:05. Yeah, you can see it now. Okay, the big wheel is 30 minutes queuing time. Okay, so she'll have to start queuing 30 minutes before this time, won't she? So let's go back 30 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And don't forget when it went, I should have done my hat. So the time she should start queuing is 3:35. Okay, so it should be 3:35 PM is the time she needs to start queuing for her ride.